fascinating series where fascinating Mazels join you in discovering new, fascinating things about this old, fascinating world. I'm Cuthbert, a most suspicious Mazel, and today we're diving into ecosystems, a balancing act. Now, I'll be real with you. When they first sent me this script, I was all, what are systems? It all sounded like mumbo jumbo to me. I figured I gotta do some research, so I asked some people. I asked, what's an ecosystem like? Here's what I got back. Ecosystems are like towers of blocks. Each block is dependent on the others. I like playing tower blocks. Ecosystems, they're like a web. All the threads are connected, and the strength of the whole thing depends on the strength of each connecting thread. Interesting. A set of clock gears, a recycling logo, a game of string figures. That's a good game, and hard too. The string shapes get complicated, and everyone has to play their part just right, or the whole cycle gets thrown off. I'm starting to get a good feel for ecosystems, but I still don't really know what they are. Okay, Mazel Assistant, what are ecosystems?
Ecosystem is short for ecological system. Ecology is a science which studies the relationships between living organisms and where they live. Ecosystems are systems of these relationships.
Aha! I got it! For example, golf ball Mazels live on golf courses. They have relationships with grassy lawns and humans with golf clubs, and with worms, and golf carts, ants, and Mazels, water bottle vendors, birds, and sunshine, and sprinklers. All these guys are part of one ecosystem.
You are correct.
We got it! You know what I'm wondering? That block tower. And I just mean, what if one of those blocks gets wonky, eh? What if a thread on that web is cut loose? What if someone drops a wrench into the gear? All these systems seem perfectly balanced, and I'm suspecting that just one change is enough to mess with the entire thing.